Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth mouse is lagging while connected to your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, check if the issue isn't within your mouse. So if you can, first of all, try connecting it to another device and checking if it works smoothly with it. And if it's not your mouse problem, then the simplest and most probably the right solution will be updating the drivers, the Bluetooth drivers for your device, which you can easily do either by opening HP Support Assistant application, which should be pre-installed on your laptop, or you can also download it from the official HP Support website. Then in this application, go right away to the updates menu right here, basically, and then hit the refresh button right here and make sure that your Bluetooth that you don't have any Bluetooth driver updates in this application. So if this app finds any Bluetooth drivers for your device, then hit the checkbox next to them and then click download and install. And after installing Bluetooth drivers, you also have to restart your computer. And if this app didn't find any Bluetooth driver updates for your device, then we're gonna have to open the web browser and search for them manually. So let's search for HP drivers. Find the official support.hp.com website that says official HP drivers and software download. Open it, then select laptop, then select let HP detect your laptop, OK, and wait until your laptop is detected. And once it is, select it right here, then select your operational system, Windows 11, then the version. I recommend going with the default Windows 11 and click submit, and then find the driver network section and expand it. Here you'll be able to find Intel Bluetooth driver. Let's download it. Let's run this app and click yes, click next, accept license agreement, click next once again. And then if the installation didn't start automatically, you're gonna have to go to the device manager. So find the device manager on your computer and open it. And after that, we're gonna have to check network adapters and expand the list of them. Then here you'll be able to find your Bluetooth device. Select update, right-click this option and select update driver. Then click browse my computer for files. Click browse. Then the default folder for drivers is C, then SWSetup. And here we're gonna have to find the driver that we just downloaded. So actually, let's open our browser once again. Let's go to the downloads menu in our browser, and the browser that we downloaded is called SP165911. Okay, so let's find SP165911 and click OK. And then make sure that include subfolders is selected. Click OK. And let your drivers be installed. However, in my case, it's the same driver version as on my computer, so they will not be installed. And after that, to apply changes, as I said before, go to Power Options, select Restart, and let your device reboot. And after your device is restarted, everything should go back to normal. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.